This brief demonstration allows you to get results for the Boyle's law experiment, where you're varying the volume of a fixed mass of gas with pressure but at constant temperature. So the pressure is applied with a bicycle pump, as you can see there, and the volume of gas is on the left-hand side above the oil column. As the pressure is applied, you can see on the right-hand meter there, using the red outer scale, which is in times 10 to the power 5 newtons per square meter. Then the volume of gas on the left-hand side is given in arbitrary units, so you can just put units for your pressure and you should be able to get both sets for any particular values by pressing the pause button on the video. When the pressure in the oil column is released, then the volume decreases. Plot two graphs. The first one is just volume against pressure, which is a best fit smooth curve. But to show the relationship for Boyle's law, you need to plot 1 over volume against pressure or 1 over pressure against volume. The best fit straight line through the origin indicates an inverse proportionality between pressure and volume, which means that P is inversely proportional to V, therefore that the pressure times the volume is always a constant value, or P1V1 equals P2V2.